Hello friends, today's topic is linear equation in one variable as we have completed our first chapter that is rational numbers. So this is our second chapter and first part of second chapter, that means linear equation in one variable is our next chapter. So let's see what we are going to study in this chapter first. Yes, what we are going to study and what we have already studied in our previous classes. In the earlier classes, you have come across several algebraic expressions. Yes, we have studied the chapter algebraic expressions and equations in grade 6 and 7th also. Some of the expressions we have so far worked out with. We have solved this type of sums: 5x, 2x minus 3, 3x plus y, 2x, y plus 5, xyz plus x plus y plus z. Similar to this type of sums we have already studied in our previous classes. Now, what do we mean by linear equation? Linear equation means the power of variable. Variable means x, y, z up to a b c d, up a to z, whatsoever the value we can see, that all are variables. How to define whether they are variables or not? Yes, how we can identify that whether they are variables or not? Here, suppose if I put the value of x as 1, y as 2 and z as 3. But suppose you don't like that the value of x is 1, y is 2 and z is 3. And if you want to put the value of x, y and z differently, so you are putting the value of x as 3, y as 1 and z as 2. That can also be possible. That means the value of the variable can be changed as per our simplicity. Yes, we can change the value of variable. That's why it is called variable. Variable means the value of the number or the value of the alphabetical number is keep on changing as per our convenience. We are changing it. That's called linear variable in one equation. But today what we have to study in this chapter is we have to study only with the value of variable as power 1. We don't have to study x square, y cube, z4 or up to that z5 up to whatsoever we can write. We have to study only linear equation in one variable. One variable would be either it would be x, y, z, a, b, c, whatsoever we can write. That all are called linear variables. Yes, and the power should be 1. So if someone tells us that after giving the equation that the given equation is linear variable or not, we can identify it with the help of checking its highest power. Yes, after checking its highest power, we can tell that whether the given equation is linear equation or not. Now, what are the linear expressions? These are the linear expressions given below: 2x, 2x plus 1, 3y minus 7, 12 minus 5z, 5 by 4x minus 4. How this is linear equation? The value of x having the power only 1 is there, and plus 10 also, because here the power of value is, they both are together. Yes friend, 5 by 4x minus 4 plus 10, this is a single equation only. I hope you can get that. Now, what are not linear expressions? We have studied about linear equation. Here the power of variable is 2, that means it is not linear. Here the power of variable is 2, then also it is not linear variable. Here the power of variables are 2 and 3, that means they are not linear variables, and they cannot form linear equation. I hope you all have understood it properly. The variable having the power as 1, that is to be said as linear variable, and the equation is called linear equation. Again I am repeating, the variable having the power 1 and the equation having that linear variable is called linear equation. So let's move further. Now, we have solved this type of sums in our previous classes also, but in this class also we have to solve this type of sums. So let's begin with our first sum. That means x minus 2 is equals to 7. Yes, in this sum what we are supposed to do? Here by transposition, what we can see, minus 2 after crossing the equals to, it will become plus. So 7 as it is, and minus 2 will go that side of the equals to. By transposition it will become 9. So value of x would be 9. This is called the linear equation because the value of x is 1. Here also value of y is 1. Here also value of z is 1. Value of x 1, x 1, t1 x1 y1 x1 y1 p1 x1. So all the given values and the sums are in linear variable. That means all are linear equations. So let's begin with our second sum. Our second sum is y plus 3. Y plus 3 is equals to 10. So what we are supposed to do? Plus 3 after going that side of equals to will become minus 3. So value of y would be 7. I hope you all might be getting it. That's very easy. So let's begin with our third sum, that is 6 equals to z plus 2. So you can pause the video and try to solve by own. You all be knowing that how to solve this type of sums. So z as it is plus 2 will go that side. 6 minus 2 is equals to z. Z equals to 4. That's very easy, friend. So let's begin with our fourth sum. Fourth sum is little bit different. 3 by 7 plus x equals to 17 by 7. Now in this sum what we are supposed to do? We have to get the value of x. So we'll move 3 by 7 that side. So 17 by 7 as it is, and 3 by 7 after going that side will convert it into minus sign. Now both are having denominators same, yes. So what we can do, taking denominator is common, 17 minus 3 we can do like that. We will get the answer as x equals to 14 by 7, and that can be cancelled. 7 1s are 7 2s are. So value of x is equals to 2 we are getting in the fourth sum. So let's begin with our fifth sum. Fifth sum is very easy, friend. What is the value of the equation given in fifth sum is 6x is equals to 12. Now we all know how to solve. So here you can pause the video and try to solve by your own. This sum can be solved by you also, and that's very easy, friends. So let's begin with our fifth sum. Yes, you can pause the video and try to solve by your own. This is very easy, friends. Our fifth sum is 6x equals to 12. Here 6 and x both are in multiplication. When there is no sign, that means they are in multiplication, and 12 as it is. If they are in multiplication, after going that side of the equation, they will become in division. 6 will become in division. And now we all know the table of 6. 6 1s are 6 2s are. So value of x is equals to 2. I hope you all might be getting it. That's very easy, friends. So let's begin with our sixth sum. T by 5 is equals to 10. Our sixth sum is t by 5 is equals to 10. Here 5 is in division. Yes, after going that side, it will become in multiplication. So 10 multiplied by 5, we all know. That's very easy. T equals to 50. What is the value of t? Value of t is 50. And that's very easy. I hope you all might be getting it. So let's begin with our seventh sum. So if you are able to solve by your own, then pause the video and try to solve by your own. Our seventh sum is 2x by 3 is equals to 18. 2x by 3 is equals to 18. Here 3 is in division. Can we write this sum like this? 2 by 3 in one bracket and x in another bracket. Now what we can do? 2 by 3. As per transposition, what we can do? After going that side, it will become the reciprocal of 2 by 3 will be 3 by 2. That's called transpositioning. Now what we can do? We can cancel by 2. 18 can be cancelled. 2 1s are 2 9s are. And we all know how to multiply 9 into 3. That means 27. So our answer is 27. I hope you all might be getting it. That's very easy. So let's begin with our eighth sum. Our eighth sum is 1.6 is equals to y upon 1.5. 1.6 is equals to y upon 1.5. Here 1.5 is in division. After going that side of the equals to, it will come in multiplication. So 1.6 into 1.5 we can do. Yes, friends. Now what we are supposed to do? If we are not able to multiply 1.6 into 1.5, then what we can do? Yes, what we can do? If I want to do, then I will do like that. 2.40 is my answer. Done. But how? So let's solve it. 16 into 15. 16 into 15. For 15, 6 are 90. 9 goes for carry. 15 1 are 15. 15 plus 9. 15 plus 9, 24. You can solve by your own. You can multiply by your own also. So point where after 1 1, that means after 2 digits. So our answer is y is equals to 2.40. I hope you might be getting it. You can multiply it by own, you will get the same answer, friends. So let's begin with our ninth sum, that is 7x minus 9 equals to 16. 7x minus 9 equals to 16. Here you have to pause the video and try to solve by own. That's very easy sum. Now here it is minus 9. After going that side of the equation, it will become plus 9. So let's first solve it. 16 plus 9, that means 25, and 7x as it is. Here 7 and x are in multiplication. When no sign is there in between, they are in multiplication. Now after going that side, 7 will become in division. So our answer is x equals to 25 upon 7. I hope you all might be getting it. That's very easy, friend. So let's begin with our 10th sum, that is 14y minus 8. Here all the three sums are easy, so here you have to pause the video and try to solve by own. If you like my content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Yes friends, so let's begin with our 10th sum. 14y minus 8 equals to 13. Now what we are supposed to do here, 8 is in minus. After going that side, it will become in plus. So 13 plus 8, that means 21, and 14y as it is. Now 14 and y both are in multiplication. When no sign is there, they are in multiplication. Now 14 after going that side will become in division. Now can they be cancelled? Yes, they can be cancelled with the table of 7. So 7 2s are and 7 3s are. So our answer is y equals to 3 upon 2. I hope you all might be getting that. So let's begin with our 11th sum. Yes friends, 17 plus 6p equals to 9. That's our 11th sum. 17 plus 6p equals to 9. Now 17 is in addition over here because no sign is there behind before 17. That means it is in plus sign is there. After going that side, it will become minus. So 9 minus 17 it will become. So 9 minus 17 means 8, and 6p as it is. When there is no sign between 6 and p, that means multiplication sign is there. So you can write 6 multiplied by p equals to 8. P of 6 after going that side will become in division as it is in multiplication over this side. Now they can be cancelled by 2. 2 4s are, 2 3s are. So our answer is p equals to 4 upon 3. I hope you all might be getting. So our answer is p equals to 4 upon 3. So let's begin with our 12th sum. That means x by 3 plus 1 equals to 7 by 15. That's very easy, friends. You can pause the video and try to solve by own. Yes, x by 3 plus 1 equals to 7 by 15. Now here 1 is in addition. After going that side, it will become in minus. That means 7 by 15 minus 1. Yes, here we are supposed to take the LCM of that. Now the LCM of 15 and 1 is 15. So our LCM is 15. As we all know, LCM of 1 and 15 would be 15 only. So let's make the second digit as 15. 7 by 15 as it is, minus 1 into 15. And here also 1 into 15. Now what we can do? X by 3 is equals to 7 by 15. Let's make it clear for you, as my handwriting was poor in this step. So x by 3 is equals to 7 by 15 minus 1 into 15 upon 1 into 15. Now what we can do, friends? X by 3 as it is, and we can write 15 as common in the denominator. Now 7 minus 1, that means 6. X by 3 is equals to 6 upon 15. Now what we can do, friends? Here 3 is in division. After going that side, it will become in multiplication. Now let's see how to solve that. Yes friends, I am erasing over here. I hope you all might have understood that step. So I'm writing over here for you. Now our next step is x by 3 is equals to 6 by 15. Let's write that step over here. 6 by 15. Here 3 is in division. After going that side, it will become in multiplication. X as it is, 6 multiplied by 3 upon 15. Now can it be cancelled by 3? Yes, we can cancel it by 3. So 3 1s are, 3 5s are. So our answer is, what is our answer, friends? X is equals to 6 by 5, as it cannot be cancelled further. So our answer is x is equals to 6 by 5. I hope you all might have liked the content and have understood it properly. So don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, friends. And thanks for watching you all.